Hello and welcome. Now in this course, we will focus on different levels of output that you can use with your design creations in Canvas. So as an example, if we were to go into one of our previous designs, we can publish this in different levels of output. You've probably seen that in your drop-down menu. For example, we can look at using print posters, flyers, print invitations, letterheads, postcards, and other features. And we will look at those here. You also may have seen certain features that are only part of the Canva for Work bundle. And because that's a paid level, you may want to see what it's like before you pay for Canva. We will look at them in this course. And then we'll walk through an example of starting with a goal in mind, such as a Pinterest pin, a business card, a Facebook event, and a YouTube thumbnail. And we'll walk through that process to produce the element that we're looking for. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.